I want to take a moment to recognize the hard work, dedication, and sacrifice of every PNP personnel. Last September 21, during the Trillion Peso March, I personally witnessed how our men and women in uniform ensured the safety of our citizens while maintaining peace and order. Maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang serbisyo at dedikasyon. You made sure that despite the crowd and the challenges, your professionalism and discipline prevailed. Ang inyong sakripisyo, kahit hindi nakikita ng iba, ay mahalaga at nagbibigay inspirasyon sa lahat, lalo pat tumuloy na ang ating pagbibigay ng serbisyo sa pagpasok ng dalawang malalakas na bagyo. I would like to commend our personnel for their preparedness and swift response during typhoons Nando and Opong. Our disaster response teams, emergency units, and local police stations did not show fatigue, but exceptional readiness in ensuring that affected communities receive timely assistance. Taos-puso kong pinupurihan ang inyong pagiging maagap at sa mabilis na koordinasyon kasama ang bawat local government units at rescue units. As we move forward this week, let us carry with us the pride of being the Philippine National Police. Let every action, every decision remind us why we choose this path: to serve, to protect, and to make a difference in the lives of our fellow Filipinos. Huwag tayong matakot sa hamon, bagkus gawing inspirasyon ng bawat pagsubok upang maging mas mahusay, matapang at maaasahan sa ating katungkulan. Mabuhay ang PNP, mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino.